After Sydney was born, Sydney's mother still had some complications and she passed away December 9th, 2011.
There's so many moments where I look to my side expecting to share that moment, witnessing something that Leon's doing with someone and they're not there. You share your moments with solitude instead of someone else.
I felt so totally alone, frightened, embarrassed.
Yeah, there were times I'd break down. I really started to lose faith, I just can't do this.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man helps people. Batman, because when people need help, they go fast and they go and help them, even in the middle of the night. My favorite superhero is Batgirl. Save the day and keep people safe and fight bad guys.
I think making sacrifices to do better. He's strong and uses it for the right reasons.
Superwoman, I like her. And she kind of reminds me of my mom. Like how Superwoman always want to help other people, my mom always helps me.
I mean, I guess I could say my mom is my Superman. My mom is my Superman. I'm realizing my mom really does everything for me. Like Superman would do everything for the city.
I think my dad is a superhero because I'm scared of thunder, and every time there's a thunderstorm, he just stays with me.
Yeah, I try to act really cool when I'm at home and bye mom going out. But I think I really need to tell her that I absolutely love her. She's done everything right. Even if she's made a mistake, it's been right. And she's such a role model for me. What? Oh my God, that was a good one. How are you? I love you, Mom.
My mommy loves me and I love her.
It's when I see how he can treat other people and how sweet he is, I know that I'm doing something right.
Every time he does things for me and I do the same thing for him, we just both like it. Daddy.
Yes?
I think you're a good parent.
Oh, thank you, baby.
I just want him to know that.